Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. My dear students, as you all know that we are on the chapter number 2 and we are doing the exercise 2.4. The question says, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for a school uniform. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. But for every 3 meters of shirt material, he wants to buy 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material he did he buy? So in nutshell, I will explain this question in my own words. Hassan, you consider Hassan as a classmate, uh, and he wants to buy cloth material in such a way that for every 3 meters of shirt he want to buy 2 meters of trouser. It means in nutshell he want to buy in the ratio 3 to 2. So whenever ratio comes, you consider this as 3x and that is 2x. Okay, because we don't know the actual number of meter that he want to buy. So after that, what is given in the question, that he this is total material of shirt, total material of shirt, and this is total material of trouser in meters. Okay, now in this shirt material he made the profit of 12%, and on the trouser material he made the profit of 10%. After selling both the items, he got 36,600 as the amount. So we have been asked that what is the total number of trouser material that he sold. Okay, or he buy one and the same thing. Now what we do, we will say this is 3x total material, total shirt material is 3x, total trouser material is 2x. Now as per the question, it is given that 12% he made profit on shirt and 10% he made profit on trouser. So what we do actually think is that cost is always 100% in itself. When I'm saying he made 12% profit, it means total will be 112%. Similarly, if the cost is 100%, because cost in itself is 100% always. If he made 10%, so total will be, while selling the material he will get 110% of cost price. That's why I had written here, if you see my notes, I have written 112% of this is what, this is actually 3x plus 50 is actually cost price of shirt material, and 2x into 90 is actually cost price of trouser material, and 110% I told you how to get this 110%, how to get 112%. Okay, this is a shortcut, otherwise it will become lengthy if I will write this is x cost price plus 12% of x, this is x minus 100 by 100 we can write, because 100 cancel, it is x as it is, plus 12% means 12 by 100 into x, so it is denominator same 100x plus 12x, so that is 112x divided by 100. So 112 by 100 is actually what, 112% of x, so it will become lengthy process. That's why I have written in short 112% of 3x plus 3x into 50 and plus 110% of 2x into 90 is equal to how much? This is what, this is total selling price. If you write only this much, this plus this, it is cost price, this is also cost price, is equal selling price. That is wrong. That's why I will write here profit as well. So profit into cost price plus profit into cost price will be equal selling price, then it is correct. Now this is just simplification. 112% means by 100 into 3 into 50, that's 150x, plus 110 divided 100 into 2 into 9, that's 180x, is equal to 36,600. Okay, here denominator same 100, you take denominator as same, and you transfer that 100 to right hand side, it becomes 100 multiplied by 100, and same as it is. And this one, this into this means 112 into 150, that is 16800 into x, plus 110 into 180, that is 19800. So while taking add to these two numbers, you get this number, you get 36600 into x is equal to 366 4 times 0, because we have two zeros here and two zeros there, so four zeros in total. Now x will be 36640 divided by 36600, so 20 get cancelled, 366 1 the 360 1 the double zero, so x is 100. So now tell me, how much trouser material he buy? He buy 2 into x, that is 2 into 100, that is 200 meters. Hope you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.